This past week, Tesla reported their quarterly earnings, and Wall Street wasn't happy with what Elon had to say. As a result, the daily buys level at $240, which worked once, could not hold up price as the sellers took control. We had a gap down, followed by another gap to end the week at $211. Now stay tuned to the end of the video. We'll kind of look at where price might be heading next. And right now we're going to get into the specifics and then discuss what kind of spooked Wall Street. It was actually what Elon said during the conference call. So again, Tesla reported adjusted earnings of 66 cents per share versus 73 cents as Wall Street was expecting. Now here's the issue. They have the volume of cars. It's all about margins. Total operating margins came in at 7.6%, down significantly from the year ago quarter's figure of 17.2%. So that's a big difference. Tesla has cut the costs of and the price on their cars about 7-8 times so far this year to spur demand. During the company's earnings call, CEO Elon Musk expressed caution about the state of the global economy and said the company's focused on making its cars more affordable. All right, so let's get into the specifics. This is what Elon had to say during the conference call. I am worried about the high interest rate environment that we are in. I just can't emphasize this enough that the vast majority of people buying a car is about the monthly payment. If interest rates remain high or if they go even higher, it's that much harder for people to buy the car. They simply can't afford it. Any fool can reduce the cost of a car by making it worse and just deleting functionality and capability. Well, I need to lose 15 pounds right away. Well, you could chop your arm off, but then you are sitting here with one arm. You are still fat. It's like Game of Thrones, but pennies. It's a game of pennies. We are advertising, but informing people of a car that is great but they cannot afford doesn't really help. It is going to be required immense work to reach volume production and cash flow positive at a price that people can afford. I mean, we dug our own grave with Cybertruck. Nobody generally probably digs a grave better than ourselves. And special products that come along once in a while are just incredibly difficult to bring to market to reach volume to be prosperous. Regarding autopilot and AI, our vehicle has now driven over 0.5 billion miles with FSD beta, full service driving beta, and the number is growing rapidly. All right. So just kind of additional insight on the call. Musk tempered financial expectations for the vehicle, saying it's going to be require immense work to reach volume production and cash flow positive. We saw that in the slide. I just want to temper expectations for Cybertruck. It's a great product, but financially it will take a year to 18 months before it is a significant price cash flow contributor. This is just a graph showing their quarterly revenues. Again, this is based on volume output, but it's all about the margins. Quarterly net income, you can see how it's dwindled over the past several quarters. Again, they've been cutting the price on their cars. All right, so let's go zoom out, big picture, monthly chart. Big head and shoulder, big resistance level at the $300 level. You have a floor at the $100 level, so that represents a $200 range. And within this range, you're going to have levels of interest. And going back to the daily chart, we can take this off here. This is that big $300 resistance band. You have a level of interest at 280, and price did close below the 200-day moving average. Now the level that I'll be looking at next is this round hole psychological number at 200, which also represents a daily buyer's level based on this rally in price, basing candles in the rally out. So that's the next level that needs to hold if price is going to eventually reverse and move higher. Let's see what transpires over the coming weeks into the remainder of the year. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Please like the video.